Hello students, so today we will study self practice 4C. In the last class we have discussed about it, that how we express a number in the scientific notation. Okay, so today we are going to continue that. So see, what are the numbers in the scientific notation? Here the width of the Milky Way galaxy from edge is about is written, that if you find it's 1000 million million billion trillion, so 946 trillion kilometer. Another way you can write the same number in the scientific notation as the product of two factors. One factor is a number between 1 and 10. So in the scientific notation we are writing the numbers in the form of two factors. In the form of two factors. Like here we have written, suppose we are going to take the same number as 946, and after that see, so 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, this much distance is this is the width of the Milky Way galaxy from its edge. This is the width is given. So how we have to express this in the scientific notation? As a product of two factors. So one factor should be the value of the one factor should be between 1 and 10. The value of the one factor should be a number between 1 and 10, and the second factor is a power of 10. And the second factor you will write the power of 10, maybe any power, 10 to the power n. Okay, so how we express this? The value between 1 and 10, how we write? So this value between 1 and 10 I can write as 9.46. Means I have to shift the decimal. See, the decimal may be here because at the last place we can put the decimal point 0. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 to 17. So I had to shift decimal 17 place left. 17 place left. Then the decimal will come after 9. So 9.46, that I can write multiply 10 to the power 17 kilometer. That is the scientific notation, in which one factor value, in which the one factor, see, since this number is expressed in the form of two factor, one is a number which is between 1 and 10, as you can see 9.46, its value is less than 10, and other factor is the multiple of 10, that is 10 to the power 17. Okay, so second factor is the power of 10 and the first factor is between 1 and 10. Next is a standard form. The Earth's maximum distance from the Sun is about 1.52 into 10 power 8 kilometer. So Earth's maximum distance is 1.52. Earth's maximum distance is about 1.52 into 10 to the power 8 kilometer. Now any number in the scientific notation can be written in the standard form. So this standard form is again its reverse operation. So in the standard form we write it in the, there should be only one factor, there should be only one number. Okay, so what we have to do here, it is the two factor, so after solving means I have to multiply this. So what will happen when we multiply with the value 10 to the power 8, so that is the number of power, whatever the index is, that number of place, because it is a positive index, it is plus 10 to the power 8. This means if you are multiplying, if you are going to remove this, power of 10, so this decimal will shift 8 place right. Here I have shifted the decimal 17 place left, that's why I have raised the power 10 to the power 17. So when you are going to remove this power of 10 and which index is positive, so the decimal will shift 8 plus right. So 8 plus right means there is only 2 digit. So how we should take place, right? So we add 60 after this number. We add 60 after this number, then only the decimal can be shifted 8 plus, right? See, 1 5 2 and 60 you write. Now total, see, decimal will shift from here to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now I can put the decimal here. See here I have put the decimal here. Now the number can be read as see here 152 million kilometer. 152 million kilometer. This number is read as 152 million kilometer. Okay, that is the standard form. Means the scientific notation can be written in the standard form, and the standard form can be expressed in the scientific notation. Okay. So large distances are measured in light years. That is light year is a distance traveled by light in 1 year. That is called the light year. The distance traveled by the light in 1 year is called the light year. Now we move to the next topic. Okay, now see the first question. Self practice 4C first question. Are the following numbers written in the scientific notation? See, that is the first one. 1A, that is 24 multiply 10 to the power 7. This is in the scientific notation? No, because why it is not in the scientific notation? Because the first factor 24, that number is not between 1 to 10. In scientific notation, the number is expressed in the two factor. The first factor should be between 1 and 10. Since the 24 is greater than 10, 24 is greater than 10, so that's why it is not in the scientific notation. So what? Not in scientific notation. Not in scientific notation. So that number A is not in scientific notation. B written, first B, 7 into 10 to the power 4. 7 into 10 to the power 4, yes, it is in the scientific notation because this number is less than 10. So B is in scientific notation. B is in scientific notation. Now, next question C. 8 point, yes, this is in the scientific notation. It is in scientific notation. It is in scientific. Now, question number C. 8.9. 8.9 multiply 5 to the power 2. This number is not in scientific notation. Why? Why it is not in scientific notation? First factor is between 1 and 10. That is correct. First factor is correct. But the second factor, you see, the second factor is not a multiple of, the second factor is not a power of 10. Here the first factor between 1 and 10 and the second factor should be the power of 10. For the scientific notation, the second factor is not a power of 10. So that's why C is not scientific notation. Not. It is not in scientific notation. D, you see, the D, 0.3 into 10 to the power 6. Now this also is not in the scientific notation. Why? Because the first factor should be between 1 and 10, and this is less than 1. 0.3 is less than 1. So 0.3 is less than 1. First factor is less than 1. So this is not in scientific notation. Second factor is the power of 10, correct, but the first factor value is less than 1. So it is not in scientific notation. Okay. Now we move to the second question, 2a. Okay. Now 2a. Question number 2a. Fill in the boxes. Fill in the boxes. Fill in the boxes. What is the question? Fill in the boxes. That is 54 million. 54 million equals to, this is in the standard form and that is written in the scientific notation, 5.4 multiply. Here what should be raised over the 10? What is the power of 10? So how we have to fill this box? That is the fill in the boxes. Now you can see here, decimal you can assume it here. This is the 54 million, so decimal you can assume it here. You can put it decimal here. Now I have to shift this decimal left. You can see here decimal is after 5. So the decimal is here. This decimal I have to bring here after 5. So how many places I am going to shift left? This is on the left direction. So I am shifting the decimal to the left. That is 3, 6, 7. So I am going to shift this decimal 7 place left. So shifting the decimal 7 place left means you have to raise the power here 7. As much place you are shifting the decimal, that number you have to raise over the 10. Here I have shifted the decimal 7 place left, so the power over 10. So the power over 10 would be 7, because I have shifted the decimal 7 place left. Okay. Next question, B. B you see, $980 billion, that is. This is the 980 billion. 9.8 multiply 10. Now what power I will raise over 10? What power is raised over 10? Again, here in this question also, we will assume that the decimal is here at the end. We will put the decimal at the end. Now I have to bring the decimal after 9. Here you see in the right hand side, the decimal is after 9, 9.8. This means in the left hand side, I have to shift this decimal to the left side. So I will bring this decimal after 9 here. See how many places I have to shift? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have to shift this decimal 11 place left, because I want to bring the decimal here. So as number of places you are shifting the decimal to the left side, that number of place, that number you have to write over here, over as a power 10. That is how many places we have shifted? 3, 6, 9 to 11. 11. So here the answer will be 11. So 10 to the power 11. 10 to the power 11. So that the values can be written as 9.8 into 10 to the power 11. Like this we have to do, okay? Second question is the C. C you see 50 trillion it is. After 50, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 pair of 3 zeros equals to 5 multiply 10. So what a power will we raise over 10 to express this in the scientific notation. Now here you can see the decimal is here after 5. This 5 means 5.0. This 5 can be written as 5.0. You can understand it in the scientific notation. 5 can be written as 5.0. There is no problem. Now I have to bring here also on the left hand side, you can put the decimal at the end. We can put the decimal at the end. Now shift this decimal. How many places? We will shift this decimal to the left and bring it after 5. See how many places I have to shift left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 place left I have to shift this decimal. How many places? 13 places. So 13 place left. So the power over 10 will be 13. So the power over 10 will be 13. So 5.0 into 10 to the power 13. Next question D. Now in this question you can see what power will raise over this 10, what power we will raise over 10, so that this standard form can be written in this form, scientific notation 2.74. Here you can see the decimal is after digit 2. Here the decimal I have to bring it here after 2. At the end we can put the decimal here. We can assume the decimal is at the end. Now bring it, shift the decimal left. How many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 places left I have to shift the decimal. How many places? 10 places left we are shifting the decimal. So put here power 10. Power 10. Okay. So this is all for today, students. Self practice 4C till second we have done. In the next class we will do question number 3 and 4. So this is all for today. Thank you for your kind attention.